Our mission is to deliver valuable, modern technology and engineering solutions that are suitable for production and business, empowering our customers to take control of their own business. With a focus on human development as the foundation and the power of technology, then Phat ETEK is steadily making its mark on the map of leading corporations in Vietnam in the fields of technology, automation, industrial auxiliary equipment, automotive maintenance and repair, contributing to creating positive value for society. Then Phat ETEK, converging excellence, pioneering solutions. The number one training equipment in Vietnam. Leading automotive industry solutions in Vietnam with large-scale projects. Pioneering total automation solutions. Possessing a sustainable ecosystem with member companies ETEK, ETEK Green, and ETEK Power. After more than 2 decades, then Phat ETEK has successfully built a multi-industry ecosystem, including the following fields: technology solutions, equipment, consumables, and management in the fields of automotive, motorcycle maintenance, repair, and inspection. Comprehensive automation technology solutions for factories. Technology solutions and equipment for thermal and steam industry. Technology solutions and equipment for technical training. Life automation solution. Technology solutions and equipment for environmental protection. Equipment solutions and consumables for industrial cleaning. Enterprise management solutions based on Industry 4.0 technology. Industry is the core business market and a focal point in the development of the Phat ETEK Group. The Phat ETEK is fully capable of serving as the general contractor for industrial manufacturing plants, including everything from infrastructure construction to production lines. We provide comprehensive services, ensure adherence to schedules, and meet stringent technical standards. Many solutions and production lines incorporating automation technologies have been implemented for clients, including global companies such as VinFast, Hyundai, Unilever, Canon, Samsung, Orion, and Universal Robina Corporation. Automobile manufacturing factory. Electronics and electrical components manufacturing factory. Battery manufacturing factory. Manufacturing and fabrication factory. Consumer goods manufacturing factory. Food and beverage manufacturing factory. Textile manufacturing factory. Warehouse and storage. The business segment of training equipment for technical schools is the foundation for the future development of the industry. The Phat ETEK is currently leading manufacturer in Vietnam of training equipment for technical schools, helping vocational education institutions and businesses train technical personnel to meet labor market demands. Constantly collaborating closely with hundreds of technical schools, colleges, universities, and vocational institutions nationwide, the Phat ETEK's training equipment solutions are always updated and incorporate the latest manufacturing technologies. The equipment is divided into standard modules, allowing for flexible assembly and making it easy to invest in, upgrade, and expand. a series of projects providing equipment funded by ODA, Official Development Assistance, have been implemented both domestically and internationally, such as support for autonomous higher education project at Hanoi University of Science and Technology, providing specialized electrical and electronics training equipment to technical training institutions in Cambodia as part of a program by the Cambodian Ministry of Labor and Vocational Training, funded by the Asian Development Bank. Projects to provide automotive technology equipment with funding from Asian Development Bank and KfW Development Bank. Phat ETEK places people at the core of its development strategy. We continuously organize in-depth training programs, both domestically and internationally, enabling our team to stay up to date with the latest technologies and trends in the global industry. With a strong team of experienced experts in designing training and automation solutions, we are confident in delivering outstanding products that precisely meet our customers' needs.